fall of 2021, Pennridge High School science teacher, Mr. Rabuck, put together a rock band. And after months of rehearsing, these students are about to go on the stage for hundreds or even possibly thousands of people to hear what they want to play.
Rabuck put up a bunch of flyers around the school and kind of just collected us in his classroom, I guess. We're having fun. I don't know. It was amazing that we're actually like getting out there and doing this.
I want to see you today because this is a practice. It's going to be hot in here. It's going to be hot in the band shell. It's not going to be air conditioned, so I'm glad the AC's off. But it's good. All right. Let's warm up with something.
I think just going out and seeing like big crowds and meeting a lot of people is really fun.
How you feel about Sunday? I mean, like, come on.
Really nervous, but also extremely excited. Like, just kind of a big mix of emotions.
Rock U will be on display and all of their talents along with them. 5 o'clock at the band shell for Perkasie Community Day. Stop by and check them out. They rock.